Want to get more out of your vertical mill? A slotting attachment adds a whole new level of flexibility by turning rotary motion into a vertical cutting stroke. That means you can tackle jobs a standard mill head simply cannot. It is especially useful for cutting internal keyways, internal splines, and square or rectangular features inside pre-drilled holes. It is also great for light shaping work like grooves, flats, and contours on smaller parts. Instead of buying a separate shaping machine, you can expand the capability of the mill you already have. It is a smart solution for low-volume work, one-off jobs, and internal features that are difficult to machine with standard cutters. Simple, practical, and versatile. A slotting attachment helps your vertical mill do even more. For more information on slotting attachments and other ways to expand your machine's capabilities, reach out to Lagun Engineering.